Today we're talking about some super wild weather that went down in Argentina. It's like something out of a movie. Heavy rains, hail, and flooding, all causing chaos for the folks in La Plata and Buenos Aires. So picture this, La Plata, Argentina, on August 17th. It's just a regular day, but then bam! Heavy rains and hail hit the town like a ton of bricks. Streets turned into rivers, and houses were like islands in a sea of water. The rain was so intense that even flights got messed up at two big airports, Aeropark Jorge Newbery and Ezeiza International Airports. Over 50 flights were in a pickle. Some were delayed, some got canceled, and a few had to find a new place to land because of the stormy skies. The weather peeps, also known as the SMN Weather Service, were on high alert. They sounded the alarm for the whole area, warning about fierce thunderstorms that might bring hail, rain, and even snow. Can you imagine snow in August?
60 años de vida, no estamos hablando de las afueras, pleno centro de La Plata.
Crazy stuff. And it wasn't just Buenos Aires. Other provinces like Entre Rios, Corrientes, and Santa Fe were also in the danger zone. Now let's talk flooding. The northwestern part of Buenos Aires province got hit the hardest. They had to deal with flooding from the River Plate, which is like a big river, blocking up the drains and making a big mess.
Bueno, tranquilas.
People had to leave their homes, and the city of La Plata was like a water park, but not in a fun way. The mayor, Julio Garro, said this kind of heavy rain hasn't happened in like 50 years. That's like older than our grandparents. After the storm settled down, it was time to clean up. The city was a bit of a mess, with clogged drains and soggy streets. The mayor and his team were on the case, working to unblock the drains and help out families who got stuck in the mess. They're even trying to figure out how to deal with the rising river plate. It's like a puzzle they're trying to solve. Well, the experts are saying that we should still be on the lookout. More rain could be on the way, and it's important to stay alert. Do like and subscribe.
Barbie querida, ¿cómo estás? ¿Te acordás?